Hello everyone, welcome to StudyD. Today I will going to discuss another part of the top 100 biology question answers for RRB NTPC exam. So let's start the question answer discussion. First question: which gas is making for vegetable ghee, that is hydrogen? Next question: which is the largest gland in the human body, that is liver? Next question: the smallest functional unit of kidney is the nephron, and also nephron is present in kidney in number of 10 lakhs above. Next question: James D. Watson, a Nobel Prize winner scientist, who expert in which field, that is genetics, and also genetics is the study of a gene, and the father of genetics is Gregor Johann Mendel. Next question: polio is caused by which microbes, that is virus, and polio is caused of virus, that is enterovirus. Next question: the flow of energy in the energy pyramid is always, answer is upright. What is energy pyramid? Energy pyramid is a energy pyramid is showing flow of energy at each trophic level of an ecosystem. Next question: saliva helps in the digestion of a gas, that is starch. Answer is starch. Starch is a polysaccharide compound. Next question: which parental chromosome is used for sex determination? That is father, because father that is male is chromosome is XY, and female, that is mother, chromosome is XX. So father chromosome is determinant of a sex determination. Next question: the biogas used for cooking is a mixture of gas, that is methane or carbon dioxide. Methane is CH4 and carbon dioxide symbol is CO2. Next question: the yellow color of a human face is a result of which pigment, that is urobilin. Next question: which air pollutant cause the most serious health hazard, that is sulfur dioxide. Answer is sulfur dioxide, and symbol is SO2. Next question: vitamin K is required for the which synthesis, that is prothrombin. Prothrombin is dependent upon the coagulation of blood. So also vitamin K is the required for the coagulation of blood. Next question: which compound is used in anti-malarial drugs, that is chloroquine tablet? Next question: dental cavities are caused because of the deficiency of a gas, that is fluorine. Next question: what is the process of filtering blood through an artificial kidney, that is called dialysis? Next question: which is the first vaccine injected in the newborn body, that is BCG. BCG in disease is tuberculosis. What is the full form of BCG? That is Bacillus calmette-guerin. Next question: food poisoning is caused by Clostridium botulinum is a bacteria. Clostridium botulinum is a bacteria. Next question: which hormone is used on oral contraceptive, that is progesterone. Progesterone also in secretion of a secretion with the female reproductive organ, and also testosterone is secreted in the male reproductive organ. Next question: the longest and largest bone in the human body is femur, and you know that also, and the smallest bone is our stapes. Next question: which metal is present in hemoglobin? Very very important question, that is iron. Next question: what is the number of chromosomes found in the human gene? That is 46 or 23 pair. In 46 chromosome, 44 are autosome and 2 chromosomes are sex chromosome. Two sex chromosomes are male and female. Male is XY and female is XX. Next question. The pH value of human blood is 7.4. Next question. The plants which grow under water state condition are called xerophyte plants, or scarcity of water state condition are called xerophyte plants. Next question. During the photosynthesis, solar energy is converted into which energy? That is chemical energy. Next question. Which is the smallest bone in the human body? That is stapes, and largest bone of the human body is femur. That's all. This 25 question answer PDF is available in description box, so you can download it. Thank you.